Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. So today was day 7 of the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, and on the stand we had Advocate Elaine Harrison, the Director of Public Prosecutions, what we know as DPP in KwaZulu-Natal. So Advocate Harrison joined the NPA in 2000, became acting DPP in 2019 and was permanently appointed in November of the same year. So she's been leading prosecutions in KZN for about 6 years now. So the question is, why was she there today? She was there to explain the chaos around the political task team that has been happening. So she said the first time she had heard about the task team, it was allegedly disbanded, was in January of 2025, not through official channels, but she had this on social media and she thought this was fake news. So to this day, she told the commission that she was never officially informed by the SAPS. So then in May 2025, she finally received a letter from General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And in that letter, General was apologizing for failing to execute the J50 warrants linked to the 121 political cases. So he also admitted that the dockets had been mishandled since 2016, as far back as in 2016. So think about this. We only got to hear the media briefing in July this year, but the rot has been happening as far back as 2016. So Advocate Harrison explained how the task team worked when it was active. She told us about the dedicated prosecutorial capacity from the organized crime component in Durban, the multitask teams, the forensics. She told us about the intelligence, the digital, the ballistics, operational support. Those are the things that we heard from her today. We also heard about the database of all the political killings cases, court-going matters, and finalized cases. So she said that she also raised concerns about the upcoming 2026 local elections, warning that the political violence could spike again, and if there's no proper task team. She said that she was frustrated that the SAPS never clarified whether the task team still existed. Without it, she explained, the entire prosecutorial capacity for political killings